The Canon EOS 2000D kit offers a comprehensive photography experience with its included deluxe bundle, featuring a versatile 18 to 55mm lens, wide-angle and telephoto options, and essential accessories like a flash and tripod. Equipped with a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, this camera ensures high-quality images with impressive detail and clarity. Its full HD video recording capabilities at 30 frames per second, combined with a 9-point autofocus system, make it an excellent choice for capturing both stills and motion. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity allow for easy sharing and remote control, enhancing the overall usability of the camera. Designed with user-friendly features such as Scene Intelligent Auto Mode and an onboard feature guide, it caters to both beginners and advanced users. As part of the Amazon Renewed program, the Canon EOS 2000D is professionally inspected and tested, ensuring it performs like new with the added peace of mind from the satisfaction guarantee.